Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to become a local guide in Google Maps. So if you want to become a local guide in Google Maps, when you press your profile icon here and then you select your profile, there's no signs that you're a local guide, and there's nowhere to sign up to become a local guide within actual Google Maps itself. The easiest way is to actually open up a web browser and type in local guide Google, and this will bring up the local guide section within Google. You want to tap into that, and here it'll tell you all about the local guide information. You'll be able to read all this, and what you want to do to become a local guide is press get started here at the top. You do want to log in to your account. Then you can start selecting your city, and then you can go through the process of becoming a local guide. So that's how to become a local guide in Google Maps. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.